Welcome back to the channel Wombat Games, and today I'm going to show you episode 2 of my how to make a website. Let's go with that. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to make ordered and unordered lists, how to add website links, and also how to add images. Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you're the first to know when I upload, and follow my Instagram at wombat_games_YT. The link will be in the description below to see behind the scenes footage and my uploading schedule and etc. So let's get into it. So I'll pick up where we left off from episode 1, where we did the basic structure and syntax to making a website. So let's just keep going. So unordered lists, you start in the body again, and unordered list is, well, UL for unordered and lists, yeah. And in that, we can add as many list items as we want, but let's just go with 3 for now. So you put ally for list item, and you can say anything. So I'll put mango. And to finish that off, we finish it like we did with the paragraphs and headings. And then we just keep doing this for another list item. I'll do pears. And last one will be apples. Now, once we've finished our unordered list, we've got to make sure to end it like we end everything, with a slash. So let's test this out. Let's hope this works. And there you have it. In dot points we have mangoes, pears and apples. Moving on now, we are going to do some ordered lists. So, pretty similar to an unordered list, you type in OL. And you follow the same structure. Once we've done all that, we end it like we ended the unordered list. And let's test it out, shall we? Look at that. We have it, mangoes, pears and apples. Mangoes is spelt wrong. So, easy fix. And you can even add breaks to it. You can add whatever you want in between it. It doesn't matter. Next, I'll show you how to do the website referencing. So first of all, we open the bracket, type in A. Next, we put in the 4 letters href, which stands for hypertext reference, letting it know that this is a hyperlink or a website we're going to. Next, we put the equal sign, then start the quotation marks, paste your hyperlink in there, end the quotation marks, and end that bracket. Then we will type in anything, and this will appear instead of the link. So maybe click this now. And last but not least, we just close that bracket using the A, like we did with the ordered list, unordered list, paragraphs, and headings, and everything else. So let's save this and refresh the page, and look, we have this link. Click this now, and it goes to my link. Let's just go back. And last of all, what I want to show you today is, of course, how to add images. Now, first of all, before we get into any of the programming, any of the syntax, you have to put the website or the HTML or the notepad or whatever into the same folder as the image you want to use. This is important so it knows what image you actually want to put in. So, first of all, we'll type in img, standing for image, and then src, standing for source. We'll then put an equal sign and start the quotation marks, where we will type in exactly the name of the image we want to use, which was logo. And now, because it is a PNG file, we want to make sure that we put .png at the end. So logo.png and the brackets there. Now, we're not done yet, but that is the image we're going to use. Now, we got to add a couple more things before it is ready, and one of them is an alternate text, which it'll appear if for some reason the image doesn't appear. So we'll put an alt text, alt equals, and then we'll put the quotation marks, say, this is where my logo should be, and end that. And now we've got to add two more attributes to this element, the image, and that is height and width. So let's type in width, and you can put in any number, but it stands for the number of pixels. So I'll put 550 in the quotation marks and just simply add height again, which is, I'll just put again 550. So now we just finish this off with the closing angular bracket. Make sure to save this and simply refresh the page. And look, there's my logo, and I've still got the website. Click this now, which goes to the YouTube. But yeah, this is my logo, the image that I've put in here. And that is the end of this tutorial. So I hope you like it. But before you leave, make sure to like and subscribe and turn the bell on, because this lets me know that you like this content and you want it to keep going. You want me to keep making it. So thank you, and have a nice day. And next time, I will be showing and explaining everything with elements and attributes. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you know when I upload this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.